Tired of your Venmo activity feeling a little too public? Anyone being able to see your entire friends list can feel like a huge privacy invasion. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your Venmo friends list private step by step right from your Android phone. The name Venmo has an interesting origin. It comes from the Latin word vendere, which means to sell, combined with mo, short for mobile. Put together, it reflects the idea of selling or exchanging money through a mobile device. Venmo became especially popular among younger users because of its built-in social feed, where people could see and comment on their friends' payments. Venmo trivia. Did you know Venmo started in 2009 as a simple way to transfer money through text messages? It later evolved into an app and is now used by millions of people every month for quick and easy payments. Hey everyone, welcome to For Real, I'm Anna. If you've ever paid a friend on Venmo and realized that your connection to them is now public information, you're not alone. By default, Venmo is social, but that can expose who you know and who is in your personal circle. This matters for basic privacy and security. Scammers can use this information, and frankly, it can just be awkward. You should control who sees your contacts. The good news is that locking this down is simple, but the setting is a bit buried. I'm going to walk you through 5 exact steps to hide your friends list. Ready? Let's open the app. Okay, step 1. Once Venmo is open, you need to get to your profile. Look at the bottom navigation bar. On the far right, you'll see an icon that says Me. Tap that. Great, now you're on your profile screen. For step 2, look in the top right corner. You'll see a settings gear icon. Tap on that gear to continue. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, please hit that like button below. It really helps the channel. Thanks. Okay, back to the settings. All right, you're now inside the settings menu. For step 3, scroll down and find the option labeled Privacy. Tap on Privacy. This is your privacy command center. For step 4, look for the section labeled More. At the bottom of that list, you'll see Friends List. Tap on it. And the final step, you have 3 options: public, friends, or private. To hide your friends list, tap the circle next to private. You'll see the checkmark move, confirming it's now visible only to you. Quick pro tip. Below the privacy options, see the toggle that says Appear in other users' friends lists? I recommend tapping this off. This gives you an extra layer of privacy. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, your Venmo friends list is now private. No more worrying about who can see your contacts. Your social connections on the app are now secure. One of Venmo's most unique features is its social feed. Unlike most payment apps, Venmo lets you see your friends' transactions and even comment or react to them. This made paying bills feel more like a social interaction than just a financial one. When Venmo was first launched, users could only include short notes of up to 140 characters with each payment. This limit was inspired by Twitter's original character restriction and was designed to keep messages quick and casual. The app became famous among young adults and students because it solved everyday problems like splitting rent, sharing grocery costs, or paying friends back for a night out. This simple idea turned into a financial habit for millions. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more privacy tips. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped. Let me know in the comments what app I should cover next. Thanks for watching For Real. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.